Are you tired of scrolling past hundreds of emails just to find that one starred message? Learn how to put starred emails first in Gmail in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact settings to change. Just follow these 8 simple steps. First, head over to the Gmail homepage. Click on the gear icon at the top right corner to open Gmail settings. Then, click on See All Settings to open the full settings menu. Now, click on the Inbox tab at the top of the settings page. Locate the Inbox Type section. Click on the drop-down menu next to it. From the drop-down, choose Starred First. Finally, scroll down and click Save Changes to apply your new inbox layout. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.